Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, thank you. Okay, I think we'll start for today's session. Today we are going to complete chapter number 3. Means almost 75% syllabus will be completed today. And only one bit is remained from this particular chapter, chapter number 3. That is working capital management. So what is the concept of working capital management? What is the working capital? Why it is required to manage? How it is calculated? The discussion we have to make in this particular bit. And later on we'll discuss MCQs relevant to this chapter. And then in last half hour there will be MCQ test for 20 marks. Means there will be small test. So only maybe half hour we'll discuss, and later on maybe after 3 to 3:30. Before that I will wind up. You will get more than 40 minutes also for 20 marks MCQ test on chapter number 3, and we'll conclude chapter number 3 today. And if any doubts are related to chapter number 3, we'll discuss that, and we have to wind up. And tomorrow we'll start our unit number 4, that is last number unit, and it may require 8 to 10 hours to complete, right? So very interesting chapter, remain chapter also. So like this, there also some of the videos will be there. Okay, so let us start discussion on working capital management. So we'll discuss what is the concept of working capital first. Friend, in organization, you need some money to run your organization's trading operation day to day. So day to day, some expenses are required, some money is required, and that money is called as a working capital. And in Marathi, people call it as a खेळते भांडवल. खेळते भांडवल म्हणजे वर्किंग कॅपिटल असं म्हटलेलं आहे. Right? So this is the concept of working capital. So now, how it is calculated? First thing is that you should know your current assets and current liabilities. These two concepts are very important in calculation of working capital management. Getting? So current asset, what is the meaning of current asset? करंट असेट याचा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ घेऊ शकता तुम्ही की चालू मालमत्ता, and which can be easily converted into cash. Which can be converted easily into cash. Suppose you have some mutual fund of your organization, so easily you can convert it into cash. Even You can say like you have some stock material. Suppose in a sugar factory, there is a sugar already there in godown. So you can say like a stock of material it is there. So if you sell it, then easily you can convert that sugar into cash. So stock of material is one of the current asset. Then you can say like FD, fixed deposit of your organization. Even various bonds are there like gold bond. Then account receivable, तुम्हाला कुठून पैसा यायचा आहे का? So such a things are called as a current asset. आणि ह्याला मराठीमध्ये चालू मालमत्ता वगैरे म्हणलेले. Second thing you should know that is current liabilities. Current liabilities. Can you hear me? Actually, I got one phone call in between. Can you hear me clearly? Hello? Okay, Gauri, thank you. So, second is current liabilities. Current asset, everybody understood. Now, current liabilities. करंट लायबिलिटीचा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ समजू शकता तुम्ही की तुमच्या काय जबाबदाऱ्या आहेत, उत्तरदायित्व कशाचे, कुणाला पैसे द्यायचे. करंट लायबिलिटीज म्हणजे जो पैसा तुम्हाला द्यायचा आहे आणि तुम्हाला ती जबाबदारी आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल रेंट. If in your organization you have taken that particular place shed on rent, so you have to pay that money also. So you should consider that rent on current liabilities. Then utilities म्हणजे facilities like water bill is there, electricity bill is there, right? Various bills are there, all facilities related bills you need to pay. Then various taxes. Now GST, only one tax is there, so GST is there. Dividend is there. Suppose somebody has invested in your organization, then you have to pay dividend to that particular person, right? So like that current liabilities are there. ह्या जबाबदाऱ्या आहेत तुमच्या, तुम्हाला तो पैसा द्यायचा आहे. It's your responsibility, right? So current liability is one thing and current asset is one thing. So now you will ask me like, sir, what is the relation between working capital and current asset and current liabilities? हे का सांगताय current asset and current liabilities? Because friend, working capital is calculated based on current assets and current liabilities. So now what is the formula of working capital? Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liabilities. Very simple formula. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. म्हणजे काय, तुमच्याकडे असलेला पैसा, तुमच्याकडची चालू मालमत्ता, त्यातून तुम्ही काय वजा करायचे, तुमच्या जबाबदाऱ्या, तुम्हाला कोणाकोणाला पैसे द्यायचे. पैसे भरपूर लोकांना ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये तुम्ही भरपूर लोकांना पैसे द्यावे लागतात. कशाचे पैसे पे करायचे त्या सगळ्या लायबिलिटीज मध्ये येतात, करंट लायबिलिटीज मध्ये. आणि जे काही पैसे राहतील that will be your working capital, remember. Understood? So this is a very simple thing and you have to manage it properly. Suppose if you are not having money to run your day-to-day expenses, then how you expect good output in your organization? So friend, working capital calculation is very important aspect and that is called as a working capital management. पैसा पाहिजे ना, खेळते भांडवल पाहिजे तुमच्याजवळ. सपोज अचानक तुम्हाला एखादा मेंटेनन्स निघाला, it happens sometime, and if you are not having money, suppose there is a breakdown in a 3D metal printing machine and you need 3 lakh rupees, you should have a judgment for that, right? So already you have purchased a big machine of 3 crore to 4 crore rupees and for that maintenance you should have money, breakdown maintenance, right? So such a working capital should be with you. Many time breakdown maintenance is there, there may be the regular maintenance, right? There may be the some coolants required or not. Many time many things are required and every organization is having a different aspect of working capital because they have their different needs, right? So working capital management is very important. And how it is calculated? Current assets minus current liabilities. तुमच्याकडे असलेला पैसा वजा तुम्हाला लोकांना द्यायचा पैसा, राहिलेली गोष्ट आहे ते तुमचं वर्किंग कॅपिटल. गेटिंग? सो व्हेरी सिंपल थिंग. So working capital management is not only managing the money, yes, obviously it is there, but beyond that you need to manage inventories and account receivable and payable. तुम्हाला inventories means required thing to run your organization, maybe various sub products, sub assemblies, nut bolts, which includes inventories, right? Then account receivable means who will give money to you and whom you want to pay. That also you need to manage. Getting? So to run your organization continuously, smoothly, you should manage your working capital properly. So a very simple bit actually I have kept at the end by mistake, but this is the last bit of our chapter. Then working capital management, there are certain tips. First tip is there, manage procurement and inventories. Procurement म्हणजे खरेदी. So you need to manage procurement. खरेदी manage केली पाहिजे. कधी करायला पाहिजे. If not required, then why to purchase? Right? So inventories and procurement you need to manage. Otherwise, unnecessarily you need working capital again and again. Suppose you need 1000 nuts and bolts and you purchased only 800. For remaining 200, you will waste your working capital money, which is required for another place, right? So managing working capital is important aspect, and you need to work for procurement and inventories. Then you need to pay vendors on time from whom you have purchased material, right? So immediately you should pay money to that person. There may be the many benefits. First thing is that you will get easily calculation of working capital, and another one thing like there will be the good relation with that person, and that person will help you anytime to take material from him. Then improve the receivable process. Suppose you are selling material in South India, North India, East, West, all sides, and you are in Maharashtra, right? So in that case, how you will collect your money? Suppose you have sold your material in Jammu and Kashmir. So now through online banking, it is possible nowadays. So whatever processes are there, when you are sending the invoice of that particular product, then that time you send bank details to that person. Simple thing, and in this way you can improve the receivable process. Otherwise, you will say like you send cash. Earlier it was their check and DDs and cash. Earlier it was very difficult, but now there is online banking system and anybody can uh, transfer money. So receivable process you need to improve, and it is your skill. तुम्ही जर म्हणला की हा देईल तो कधीतरी त्याच्या सोयीने, it's not like that, right? So it is important, like receivable process should be improved and it should be maintained continuously. Then next tip is there, manage a debtor effectively. तुम्ही ज्याच्याकडून कर्ज वगैरे घेतलंय, so manage such a people, like if it is decided 20,000 per month installment you have to give on a loan, then that amount should be given. And if you have extra amount, then immediately pay 40,000 per month, so that whatever loan is there within less time you can pay. So in this way you can manage your debtors effectively also. Then make informed about finance decision. Whatever decisions you are taking in your organization, it should be informed to your all stakeholders, to all managing those who are doing giving finance to your organization. It should be informed to everybody, to every department, so that there will be the mutual communication and working capital will be managed properly. So this is the small concept in exam. This question is asked for the 4 mark as a short note, right? So you can explain this concept, working capital, what is the working capital, how it should be managed, what are the tips, like that. Okay, how it is calculated, that also you can mention. Getting? So friends, remember once again, concluding remark of this particular bit, how working capital should be calculated. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Then you will get exact value of working capital, how much working capital should be with you. And one more question may be in your mind, if there is too much working capital, then what will happen? I will keep working capital more than that. Suppose I need 1 lakh rupees to run my organization daily. If I keep 10 lakh rupees along with them, with me, then what will happen? Can anybody answer me? Working capital required by formula, if suppose 1 lakh rupees per day in organization, and you kept 10 lakh rupees, what will happen? Can anybody will answer for this? Take 1 minute and you can answer. Have you understood question? Now you understood importance of working capital. Now I am asking, suppose there is a requirement of working capital as per formula is 1 lakh rupees, and you kept 10 lakh rupees along with you. Anybody else? काय होईल असं केल्याने काय होईल? Anybody else? No comment. More money will spend. More money will spend on what? No, unnecessarily. Simple answer, Rohit. If 1 lakh rupees required and you kept along with you 9 lakh rupees extra, so why you are not thinking to invest that 9 lakh rupees somewhere else so that our profit will be more, right? So yes, exactly. So extra amount should not be kept, unnecessary amount should not be kept with you. If required 1 lakh rupees, why you kept 10 lakh rupees? That remaining 9 lakh rupees somewhere you can invest, maybe a new purchase. Maybe you can go for some of the gold bonds, or you can go for mutual funds, so that there will also some returns will come to you. All right. So this is the thing. Simple answer for this. Okay. So this is about our chapter number 1. One more bit is remained from this, but some of the concepts from chapter number 4 are required for that bit is a break-even analysis, right? So that break-even analysis bit we will discuss in next chapter. So except break-even analysis, this chapter is completed. So now we'll discuss about the MCQs, and then we'll go for small test. Okay, so 20 question test, hardly it will take 10-15 minutes. So let us discuss already this content beyond. I already have discussed last time. Okay, so many people will say where is the content beyond. So recent government scheme for entrepreneur, and with the help of this link I have given demonstration, I think 2 lectures back. So it was interesting. So in morning lecture I have given this explanation, recent government schemes, and I have given task to complete that activity, like go to click on that link and search relevant scheme for you. I hope this task you have completed. Right. So some of the I will ask you people to submit that particular collected information. Okay, so this is done. So now let us discuss MCQs, and such MCQs are from university examination. So I have collected some of the university examination questions, and here I have kept for discussion. So many questions you can easily answer. Some of the question, if there is a doubt, then let us discuss, right? Some easiest question, those who attended my all lectures and listened carefully, these people can easily answer my this question. So let us read first question. A new venture's business plan is important because न्यू व्हेंचर ना, आता बऱ्याच वेळा एखाद्या ऑर्गनायझेशनला व्हेंचर पण म्हणलेलं आहे बरं का. व्हेंचर म्हणजे काय, धाडस वगैरे त्याचा खरा अर्थ आहे, पण इथं घेतलेला आहे की न्यू व्हेंचर म्हणजे नवीन ऑर्गनायझेशन. रिमेंबर, राईट? सो इन मेनी इफ यू go through various government reports, so they use word for a startup like new ventures, new venture, right? So new venture business plan is important because first reason, it helps to pursue other to commit funding to the venture. Pursuitचा अर्थ होतो मन वळवणे वगैरे. तर पहिला ऑप्शन काय की मन वळवण्यासाठी, मन वळवणं कुठनं असं, फंडिंग जे लोक देतात त्यांचं मन वळवू शकता बिझनेस प्लॅन मुळे. सो दिस इज द वन ऑप्शन. देन सेकंड ऑप्शन इज कॅन हेल्प टू डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट द फायबिलिटी ऑफ द व्हेंचर. फायबिलिटीचा अर्थ फिजिबिलिटी वगैरे, प्रत्यक्षात येऊ शकतं का वगैरे, ते डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन तुम्हाला इथून मिळतं. Then next one is that provides a guide for business activities by defining objectives. And last one is all of the above. So option already started. So anybody, you can put your option, like, or if any different opinion, what will be the answer for business plan का महत्वाचा आहे नवीन ऑर्गनायझेशन साठी, तर कारण एवढे आहेत. So what will be the answer? Please go through it and put your answer in chat box, so that I can understand who is listening. Okay, correct. So बऱ्याच वेळा all of the above answer correct नसतं, but many time it is there. So all three options are correct, right? Second question is there, innovation can be basically defined as the generation of new idea, the evaluation of new idea, the opposite of creativity, the successful exploitation of new idea. What do you think? For second number question, think and put your answer. इथल्या 4 ऑप्शन पैकी इनोव्हेशन कुठल्याला सूट होतंय? अगदी आयडिया जनरेशन करणं फक्त इनोव्हेशन आहे का? नवीन आयडिया इव्हॉल्व करणं हे इनोव्हेशन आहे का? का क्रिएटिव्हिटीच्या अपोजिट इनोव्हेशन आहे? का सक्सेसफुल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ न्यू आयडिया इज द इनोव्हेशन? Which one is correct? Correct. Successful idea is there, okay, but successful implementation, exploitation of that idea is innovation. Okay, correct. Then next question, which of the following is the least likely to influence the timing of new business birth? नवीन बिझनेस जन्म घेताना कोणता पॅरामीटर इफेक्ट होऊ शकतो एखाद्या पॅरामीटरचा त्या ऑर्गनायझेशनवरती, नवीन ऑर्गनायझेशन चालू करताना वगैरे? गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, कंझ्युमर एक्सपेंडिचर अँड वेदर कंडिशन. थिंक अँड पुट युअर आन्सर. Exactly. Many people started putting C, but answer is correct D. Many people kept the. तर ह्या क्वेश्चनचा अर्थ असा आहे, तर वेदर कंडिशन, तुम्ही अगदी नवीन एखादा बिझनेस जन्माला घालताय, बरोबर आहे, एखादा बिझनेस तुम्ही चालू करताय, अगदी त्या टायमिंगला एखादा वेदर कंडिशन जर त्या सुटेबल नसेल तर ह्या कम्पेअर टू अदर 3 ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके. Then someone legally appointed to resolve the financial difficulties of an insolvent firm is called as. एखादी ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे ती फायनान्शियल डिफिकल्टी मध्ये आहे आणि अशा ऑर्गनायझेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी काही लोक अपॉइंट केले जातात. तर त्या व्यक्तीला काय म्हणलं जातं? ॲन ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, प्रिडेटर, ॲन ऑडिटर, टर्न अराउंड कन्सल्टंट. साधी गोष्ट आहे, फायनान्शियल डिफिकल्टीमध्ये जर एखादी ऑर्गनायझेशन असेल तर त्याला ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अरेंज करून दिला जातो आणि तो ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटर त्या ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या फायनान्शियल डिफिकल्टी ज्या असतील ते सॉल्व्ह करतो. ऑडिटर वगैरे काय करतो? फक्त चेक करून जातो. टर्न अराउंड कन्सल्टंट काय करतो? तो तुम्हाला तुमची ऑर्गनायझेशन कशी पुन्हा उभा कराल दॅट ही गाईड, बट ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटर इज फॉर solving financial difficulties. The next question is there, goods or services reach the marketplace through marketing channel, multi-level pyramid, monopolies, multiplication. What is the correct answer? It's very simple question, logical, general question, general knowledge question. You can put the answer for 5th number. Remaining I can understand. Sometimes difficult words and आपले प्रोडक्ट मार्केट पर्यंत कसे पोहोचले जातात? ऑर्गनायझेशनची सर्व्हिस असो, प्रोडक्ट असो, कसं रीच होतं? थ्रू मार्केटिंग चॅनल, मल्टी लेवल पिरामिड्स, मोनोपॉलीज, ऑल मल्टिप्लिकेशन. Okay, simple question. Everybody answered correctly. Marketing channel, right? So dealer, sub-dealer, retailer, right? So generally, this is the appropriate method to reach your product to market. The next one is that dash dash is used to accomplish the project economically in the minimum available time with limited resources. या 4 ऑप्शन पैकी काय वापरलं जातं प्रोजेक्ट मिनिमम खर्चामध्ये आणि कमी टाइमामध्ये तो कमीत कमी रिसोर्सेस मध्ये उभा केला जातो त्यासाठी काय केलं पाहिजे? प्रोजेक्ट शेड्यूलिंग केलं पाहिजे, नेटवर्क अनालिसिस केलं पाहिजे, बजेट अनालिसिस केलं पाहिजे, क्रिटिकल प्लॅनिंग केलं पाहिजे. Project scheduling, exactly. Answer is A. The next question is dash dash is the analysis of costs, benefits of proposed project with the goal of assuming a rational allocation of limited funds. कोणतं अनालिसिस आहे की जे कॉस्ट बेनिफिट बघितलं जातं? पैशाचा वगैरे लोक तिथे विचार करतात. ओके, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बट प्रोजेक्ट अप्रायझल इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. प्रोजेक्ट अप्रायझल आपण बघितलं जिथं कॉस्ट बेनिफिट बँकेचे लोक काय करतात, how much cost is required and how much benefits you are getting, so they check it. So project appraisal is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following is not an aspect of appraisal of term loan by commercial bank? तर ह्याच्यामधला कुठला पार्ट अप्रायझल मध्ये येत नाही? बँकेचे लोक लोन देताना काहीतरी विचार करतात बरोबर, तर कुठला विचार करत नाहीत असं तिथे विचारलेलं आहे. त्या अप्रायझल मध्ये कुठली टर्म इथं लोन देताना बँक कन्सिडर करत नाही? फायनान्शियल फिजिबिलिटी, टेक्नॉलॉजिकल फिजिबिलिटी, इकॉनॉमिक फिजिबिलिटी का सोसायटल फिजिबिलिटी? बघत नाहीत असं विचारलेलं आहे. अप्रायझलचा तो आस्पेक्ट नाही असं विचारलेलं आहे ह्या खालच्या 4 ऑप्शन पैकी. बँकेचा माणूस तो बघतच नाही, त्याला त्याच्याशी काही घेणं देणं नाही, पण राहिलेल्या 3 पॉईंटशी त्याला घेणं देणं आहे. पण एक पॉईंट कुठला आहे की त्याच्याशी त्याला काहीच घेणं देणं नाही. बरेच जण डी आणि बी मध्ये कन्फ्युज आहेत. सो सिंपल क्वेश्चन आहे, फारसा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन नाही, लाईक अबो सम क्वेश्चन्स आर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. So many people answered correctly with the option D. Say these people check financially feasibility, ते फायनान्शियली पॉसिबल आहे का, इकॉनॉमिकली पॉसिबल आहे का, टेक्निकली तो स्ट्रॉंग आहे का. पण सोसायटल वगैरे ह्या गोष्टीकडे ते फारसा भर देत नाहीत. ऑटोमॅटिकली सोसायटल आस्पेक्ट येऊन जातो. फायनान्शियली स्ट्रॉंग आहे, इकॉनॉमिकली स्ट्रॉंग आहे, टेक्निकली स्ट्रॉंग आहे, ऑब्वियसली सोसायटी विल गेट बेनिफिट, राईट. सो तो सोसायटल फिजिबिलिटीचा ते विचार करत नाहीत. दे चेक दिस टेक्निकल फायनान्शियल आस्पेक्ट्स. ओके, very simple question. Then next very simple question, logical. Business plan is an important dash dash for entrepreneur. Document, tool, vision, mission. What is it? Business plan is an important dash dash for entrepreneur. काय आहे? डॉक्युमेंट आहे, टूल आहे, विजन आहे, मिशन आहे. Very simple question, logical question, general knowledge question, you can say. It is expected, but such a simple question you should answer immediately. Week we have test of MCQs. Anybody else? काय आहे? बिझनेस प्लॅन हे डॉक्युमेंट आहे, टूल आहे, विजन आहे, मिशन आहे. सिंपल विजन मिशन तर बिझनेस प्लॅनचा पार्टच आहे, ते आतमध्येच असतात. फ्रेंड्स, सिंपल आन्सर, बिझनेस प्लॅन इज अ डॉक्युमेंट. आपण भरपूर वेळा बघितलं, रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट ऑफ डॉक्युमेंट बघितलं ना आपण हे. ओके, व्हेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बिझनेस रिस्क कॅन बी अवॉइडेड, रिड्यूस्ड, इग्नोर्ड, इरेज्ड. What is your opinion? Business risk can be avoided, reduced, ignored, erased. Now this is also a very general knowledge question. Please put your answers. डेफिनेटली अवॉइड करू शकत नाही, इग्नोर करू शकत नाही, यू कॅनॉट कम्प्लिटली इरेज, but answer is correct. Reduce, at least business risk you can reduce. You cannot avoid, you cannot ignore, you cannot totally erase, but at least you can try to reduce it, right? Exactly, very general knowledge question. The next one is that integration of project management with the organization takes place with the master budget, strategic plan, process of managing actual project, both B and C. Correct? People started putting D answer, both B and C. स्ट्रॅटेजिक प्लॅन पण लागतो आणि प्रोसेस ऑफ मॅनेजिंग ऍक्च्युअल प्रोजेक्ट सुद्धा लागतं, जेणेकरून तुमचं प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्रॉपरली होईल. सो दिस इज द ओव्हरऑल मिनिंग ऑफ दिस पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कंटेंट ऑफ द फायनल रिपोर्ट बेसिकली इन्क्लुड्स द फॉलोइंग टॉपिक. म्हणजे प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट मध्ये काय काय असतं, विच टॉपिक्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड इन प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट. एक्झिक्युटिव्ह समरी पाहिजे, रिव्ह्यू अँड अनालिसिस टाइप्स पाहिजे, रिकमेंडेशन्स पण पाहिजे, राईट. सो ऑल ऑप्शन्स आर करेक्ट. Then next question, every entrepreneur should draw and dash dash for his project to ensure the timely completion of all activities involved in setting up a enterprise. एंटरप्रेनरनी काय ड्रॉ केलं पाहिजे जेणेकरून त्याची ऑर्गनायझेशन कमीत कमी काळामध्ये उभी राहील, तो सेट करेल कमीत कमी काळामध्ये. Obviously correct, all people started putting option B, implementation plan, right? So without implementation plan you cannot implement all the thing, right? So plan itself answer, right? The next question, which of the following describes how the product or service will be distributed, priced and promoted? Which of the following describes how the product or services will be distributed, priced and promoted? कशामध्ये बघितलं आपण, प्रोडक्टच्या रिलेटेड डिस्ट्रीब्युशनचं गोष्ट, त्याच्या प्राइसच्या गोष्टी, तो कसा प्रमोट केला पाहिजे, ते कशामध्ये बघितलं आपण, पैशाच्या किमती वगैरे. मार्केटिंग प्लॅन मध्ये तो कसा खरेदी, तिसरा ऑप्शन बरेच जण सांगायला लागले की मार्केटिंग प्लॅन मध्ये काय केलं जातं की तो कसा पोहोचवला जाईल मार्केटिंग चॅनल थ्रू, हे बघितलं जातं. बरेच जणांचं ते कन्फ्युजन आहे. तर फायनान्शियल प्लॅन मध्ये ह्या गोष्टी केल्या जातात. फायनान्सच्या लोकांना माहित पाहिजे किती रुपयाची प्राइस ठेवली पाहिजे, प्रमोशनला किती खर्च केला पाहिजे. डिस्ट्रीब्युशन शब्दामुळे तुम्ही अडकलात, राईट. सो आन्सर इज ए फायनान्शियल प्लॅन. त्या फायनान्सच्या लोकांना माहित पाहिजे किती रुपयाचं प्रॉडक्ट आहे, मला इन्शुरन्स भरायचा आहे, रिटायरमेंटचं प्लॅनिंग करायचंय, आपण पाहिलं डिस्कशन मध्ये, बरोबर. तर प्राइस किती ठेवली पाहिजे, किती प्रॉफिट येईल मला, हे फायनान्शियल प्लॅन मध्ये असते, राईट. सो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन, बट आन्सर इज ए. बऱ्याच जणांना कन्फ्युजन झाले डी आणि मॅनेजमेंट आणि ऑर्गनायझेशन प्लॅन मध्ये, तर त्या गोष्टी येणारच नाही. मॅनेजमेंट, ओव्हरऑल मॅनेजमेंट आलं, अगदी मशिनरी परचेसचं आलं, मशिनरी कुठं ठेवायचे आले, त्या गोष्टी डिटेलमध्ये त्याच्यामध्ये येतात. पण फायनान्शियल प्लॅन मध्ये त्याच्या किमती ठरल्या जातात, त्याला प्रमोशनचा खर्च किती, ऍडव्हर्टायझिंगचा खर्च किती, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन डीलरकडे द्यायचा, मग त्याला किती कमिशन द्यायचं, सब डीलरला किती द्यायचं, राईट. सो ह्या गोष्टीचं फायनान्शियल प्लॅन मध्ये गोष्टी असतात सगळ्या. ओके. Then the capacity to develop new ideas, concepts and processes is known as, very general question. नवीन आयडिया डेव्हलप करणं, कन्सेप्ट, प्रोसेसेस इज ए इनोव्हेशन, जनरल नॉलेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity and trait, threat, talent, team. So now everybody should answer correctly here, right? So 2 years back this question was in examination or university examination. So very simple question, no need to explain anything. Next question, the main object of project appraisal is, the main objective of project appraisal is to find whether the project is technically feasible, to ascertain whether the project is financially feasible, to decide whether to accept or reject project, to know whether the project is eco friendly. काय ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे? बेसिकली ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय असतं प्रोजेक्ट अप्रायझलचं? Many people started putting answer B. फ्रेंड, फक्त फायनान्शियली स्ट्रॉंग आहे, तुमच्याकडे भरपूर पैसा आहे, एवढंच बघेल का ऑर्गनायझेशन? एखादी बँक प्रोजेक्ट अप्रायझल करताना फक्त पैसाच आहे का हे बघेल का? येस, ह्या गोष्टी बघायलाच पाहिजे. फायनान्शियल फिजिबिलिटी बघितली पाहिजे, प्रोजेक्ट ऍक्सेप्ट करायचा का रिजेक्ट करायचा हे बघितलं पाहिजे, प्रोजेक्ट इको फ्रेंडली का आहे का हे पण बघितलं पाहिजे. पण मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय आहे? नुसता पैसा असून चालणार आहे का? नुसता पैसा? एखाद्याकडे 1 करोड रुपये आहेत पण त्याला टेक्निकल काहीच माहित नाही त्याच्यामध्ये. फायनान्शियल गोष्ट तर बघतातच ते, येस, त्यासाठी बँकेचे व्यक्ती अप्रायझल त्यासाठीच करतात. पण टेक्निकली फिजिबल आहे का नाही तो प्रोजेक्ट? टेक्निकली फिजिबल असला की फायनान्शियली फिजिबल होऊनच जातो. मग तो ठरला जातो, फिजिबल आहे म्हणजे ऍक्सेप्ट करायलाच पाहिजे आणि तो इको फ्रेंडली असायलाच पाहिजे. तर थोडंसं कन्फ्युजिंग क्वेश्चन आहे. तर इथं आपण बऱ्याच वेळा प्रोजेक्ट अप्रायझल कशासाठी करतो म्हणतो, तर फायनान्स लोन द्यायचं का नाही. पण त्यांचं मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय असतं, तो टेक्निकली शक्य आहे का नाही. नुसता पैसा आहे आणि टेक्निकली काहीच करता येत नाही, मग लोन मिळेल का? तुमच्याकडे नुसता पैसा आहे आणि टेक्निकली ती काय चालणारच नाही, उद्याच बंद पडणार आहे नुसता पैसे घेऊन. सो फ्रेंड, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड द ऑप्शन इज ए, टू फाइंड वेदर द प्रोजेक्ट इज टेक्निकली फिजिबल ऑर नॉट, हे बघितलं जातं. आणि ते कशासाठी बघितलं जातं? लोन द्यायचं का नाही. गेटिंग? So simple answer, there may be the confusion, friend. Answer is A. Try to understand once again. The next one is that dash dash report is a document where in all detail obtained from technical analysis, financial analysis, profitability analysis, etc. are put together. कुठला रिपोर्ट असतो असा? सिंपल प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट, राईट? प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट ह्या गोष्टीमध्येच ह्या बाकीच्या गोष्टी मांडलेल्या जातात. व्हेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. Dash dash analysis is concerned with development of the detailed work plan of the project and its time profile. So techno-economic analysis is the answer. So you may be in confusion. Techno-economic analysis is concerned with the development of detailed work plan of the project and time profile. And last question is there, dash dash skills relates to accounting and financing control, marketing, production, planning, inventory control, and to manage people who work in the enterprise. So which skills related to that? कम्युनिकेशन आहे, डिसिजन मेकिंग आहे, प्रोजेक्ट डेव्हलपमेंट आहे, मॅनेजमेंट आहे. Answer is a management, correct. So simple questions. So let us, actually time is very less, so I explained from my side within less time. So you people will get 20 minutes, I guess. I thought 20 minutes are sufficient to you people to solve this particular test. So let me copy the link. Okay, check in chat box. Click on this link and try to solve. 20 minutes time will be there. 20 questions are there. Very simple test will be there. Is there any problem? You can ask me. Okay. Is there any problem clicking on link and solving the test? It is expected that after clicking that link should get open. Is there any problem to open link? If any problem, please let me know. Anybody has opened this link, please put yes, no, something in chat box. Yes, okay, okay, then I am happy now. I am relaxed now. So you people, please solve this test, submit it. Okay, thank you. So with this, I have concluded my unit number 3. Tomorrow we'll start unit number 4. 75% syllabus after giving this test, you can say 75% out of 4 chapter, we have completed 3. So next maybe 7-8 lectures sufficient for next chapter also. Let us see, we will discuss in detail. And friends, for your information, I am keeping this MCQ booklet, scan notes at study material, right? So your CCs have circulated one sheet where study material is kept. So whenever you are studying, please go through that study material. Study material is already there. PPTs are there, study material, scan notes are there, our recording of lectures already there, right? So if anybody has missed, people can go through such lectures, and that way very simple concepts are there in this particular unit. But those who are attending all lectures, they can easily answer such a simple question. Even if any difficulty is there, you can ask me in between. If any doubt is there, today only you can ask me related to chapter number 3. So we'll be online only for next 17 minutes. You take your time, solve test. I think your next lecture will be at 4 o'clock. So you can take time up to 4 o'clock also. At 4 o'clock, maybe this link will, I am going to close the link. 4 p.m. So before next lecture, you can solve this particular test. That way 20 questions are there, 20 minutes are more than sufficient. Yes, A division student can put their roll number in chat box. A division students. Yes, B division student can put now. Remember, you should not just click there, right? Randomly. Remember this score, like class test, we are taking in class, same thing. Preferably, I am going to use for evaluation, internal evaluation and term work issue, right? So such a test record is going to be saved for your this term work and all these. So be serious. Whenever there will be the end of chapter, on the same day there will be the test. So those who have completed, no problem. Those who take time up to 4 p.m. That's why I have told. So before next chapter, next lecture, you can complete this. This link will be closed by 4 p.m. today. So time is there. Think and click.